Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, where we make the intriguing world of chess theory accessible for everyone. If you're excited about today's video, hit that like button and don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below. Today, we're going to delve into the resilient and strategically rich world of the Slav Defense, a popular choice against the Queen's Gambit. The Slav Defense, emerging after d4, d5, c4, c6, is one of the most solid defenses available to Black against the Queen's Gambit. It emphasizes the preservation of the d5 pawn, the backbone of Black's setup. The Slav defense aims to establish a robust pawn structure while maintaining flexibility for piece development. While it might seem passive at first glance, Black often has potent counterattacking chances. Now let's break down the first 8 moves for both players. 1. d4, d5. White opens by controlling the center, and Black immediately challenges for central dominance. 2. c4, c6. White offers the Queen's Gambit, while Black fortifies the d5 pawn with c6, signaling the Slav defense. 3. Knight f3, knight f6. White develops a knight attacking the central d5 pawn. Black responds by developing a knight to f6. 4. Knight c3, c4. White adds more pressure to d5, while Black finally accepts the gambit, capturing on c4. 5. a4. Bishop f5. White aims to reclaim the c4 pawn in the future, while Black develops the bishop to a natural square. 6. e3, e6. White prepares to recapture the pawn on c4, while Black solidifies the central structure. 7. Bishop c4, bishop b4. White regains the pawn, and Black develops the bishop, pinning White's knight on c3. 8. Castle, castle. Both players get their kings to safety by castling. The Slav defense is a robust yet flexible opening choice against the Queen's Gambit. It allows Black to maintain a strong pawn structure while preparing for potential counterattacks. As we always emphasize, understanding the ideas behind the moves will provide you with a much stronger foundation than merely memorizing sequences. An intriguing historical nugget: the Slav defense was extensively used by world chess champion Emanuel Lasker. Lasker was known for his defensive skills, and the solid nature of the Slav defense perfectly suited his style. We hope you found this walkthrough of the Slav defense insightful. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more chess content. As always, share your thoughts in the comments section. Keep learning, keep playing, and we'll see you in the next video.